Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Coffee to bring the rapture to Reggae Sunfest. Fast rising star Coffee is confirmed for this year's staging of Reggae Sunfest, which unfolds in Montego Bay, St. James later this month. According to a Gleaner article, Joe confirmed the booking, noting that he believes she is coming to Reggae Sunfest. He thinks she's going to be bringing some toast with her as well, and thinks she's going to be fabulous. Reggae artist Coffee has been enjoying a quick rise to success since her arrival on the music scene back in 2017 with the Roots reggae track Burning. The Spanish Town native has since been signed to Columbia Records UK and last month was announced as Apple Music's Up Next artist for the month of June. Toast to that. Coffee's inclusion on the roster means there'll be 6 females on the Reggae Sunfest lineup this year. Reggae singers Atana and Janai, the Queen of Stage, Spice, and Reggae Sunfest first-timers Dovey Magnum and Shauna Controller. Meanwhile, headliner Spice is still basking after winning 2 awards at the Reggae Sunfest Get Social Awards held over the weekend. She shared her delight on social media after copying awards for Best Female Dancehall Artist and Best Publicity Stunt.
Thanks for voting for me. I'm excited. Thank you. I guess now I won 2 awards. Of course, I won Best Publicity Stunt for the Black Hypocrisy that I did. So big up the social awards, okay? Yeah, I won 2 awards and I'm excited.
The greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sunfest, will be staged from July 14 to 20 in Catherine Hall, Montego Bay. See you at Sunfest. Jamaican singer Tesselated's song I Learned Some Jazz Today is the soundtrack for Apple's AirPod commercial.
I just learned some jazz today. It's true. He just learned some jazz.
The 21-year-old artiste rose to stardom after releasing the catchy song Pine and Ginger, which features singer Amindy K. Frost becoming a global hit and accumulating. Now to news overseas, where WuTang and American Saga on the horizon. The first trailer for the biographical drama WuTang and American Saga has been released. The 10-episode series, co-created and written by Alex C. and WuTang member RZA, is also produced by RZA and fellow WuTang member Method Man. The dynamic lineup features rappers Joey Badass and Dave East depicting WuTang members Inspector Deck and Method Man respectively. Ashton Saunders is set to play RZA, while Sadiq Sanderson will play the role of Ghostface Killer. WuTang and American Saga is based on the Wu-Tang Clan, one of the most influential groups in hip-hop history, and the series depicts the clan's formation, a vision of Bobby Diggs, aka the RZA, who strives to unite a dozen young black men who are torn between music and crime, but eventually rise to become the unlikeliest of American success stories. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.